Today we will discuss about receptors. If we say receptors, they are of various types. They can be thermoreceptor, the pain receptor, mechanoreceptor, photoreceptor, and the chemoreceptor. Most probably, and thermoreceptor is for detecting the temperature, pain receptor for detecting any pain, mechanoreceptors are for detecting the movement, pressure, tension, thermoreceptors for detecting the light, and the chemoreceptor for detecting any change in the chemicals. They are present at various location in our body. जैसे कि थर्मोरिसेप्टर जो है वो स्किन और हाइपोथैलेमस रीजन में मिलेगा. पेन रिसेप्टर is present all tissue and organs except the brain. Mechanoreceptor is present around the skin, ear and muscles. Photoreceptors are present in the eyes, and the chemoreceptors are present around tongue and the nose. In this, you are seeing the most important receptors which are important in your board exam and which is mentioned in your NCERT books also. That is the olfactory receptor, which is for the smell detection, which is present in the nose, and the gustatoreceptor for the taste detection, which is present in the tongue. Other receptors are the photoreceptors and the phonoreceptor. Photoreceptors are present in the eyes for the visual stimulus, and the phonoreceptors are present in the ears for the purpose of hearing. Skin also contains different types of receptors such as the Puccini receptor, the Meissner's receptors for detecting the thigmoreceptors for detecting the touch and all. Now in this diagram you are seeing the dermis or the skin layer containing the different receptor. As in the hypodermis region, you are seeing the thermoreceptor for sensing the heat or the cold, Meissner's receptor for sensing the touch, nociceptor for sensing the pain, and the Puccini corpuscles or the receptor which detects the pressure. These all receptors are present beneath the skin. In this diagram, you are seeing how the receptor sends the information to the spinal cord, and from the spinal cord how the information is sent to the effector organ, the muscle and the gland. This is complete pathway between the receptor and the effector organ. How the sensory neurons and the motor neurons are working. The sensory neurons takes the information from the receptor to the spinal cord, and the motor neuron, after analyzing by the spinal cord, sends the information from the spinal cord to the effector organ, that is the muscle or the gland.